Hi, and welcome to First Alternative Care. First Alternative Care is a health membership program. We provide you with both proactive and reactive solutions to your health needs. A smart recommendation system for your health. First Alternative Care Health provides you with a comprehensive modern guide to improving your life through non-drug-based means. The first component of FAC Health requires you to fill out a functional health survey of possible concerns and/or problems you might be having currently. For more complete results and recommendations, you may purchase a lab wellness and toxin home test kit and a DNA home test kit. Once these are completed, all the recommendations will automatically be updated and provided in different tabs across the platform. The recommendations use a system called epibiogenetics to identify key features in your health. These key features are then used to map out points of concern and methods to address them. This personalized health platform provides users with a never-before-seen tool to address their complex health concerns. The recommendations on this platform have more than 40,000 clinical references, as well as links to nearly 250,000 medical studies from over 40 years of research powered by epibiogenetics. So let's begin. When you first log in, you'll be directed to the personal information page to fill out your profile information. You can also make changes to your account and password information as well from here. You can also see orders for your past lab tests that you order here as well. You can change this data at any time, so feel free to make edits to your weight as your health fluctuates throughout the months. When you've made your changes, click Save and then Next. From here, you'll be taken to the Health Questions section. You'll see 6 tabs which we'll need to fill out to complete a comprehensive health profile. The tabs are My Health, Family History, Food and Diet, Lifestyle, My Medications, and Smart Questions. You can ignore your health score for now, as that's going to change as you fill out more information. In the My Health section, you'll be going system by system, filling out information on your concerns. If you think you might have had a concern in a system, click on the Tell Us More option. If you don't know if you've had a problem, click on Known. If you don't understand what the problem is, click on the text of the concern for a more in-depth description. The description will provide a general readout of the population, a description of the concern, and clinical references related to that concern. Once you complete all the information that's prevalent, click Save at the bottom. You'll see it saving with the tiny clock to the left. Then click Next. You'll be directed to the Family History section. You're going to complete the same process as before in the My Health section. Clicking on the things that matter, whether you can answer them or not, click Unknown. Once completed, click Save and then Next. Continue the process for My Health, Family History on the next 2 tabs in Food and Diet and Lifestyle. Save, and Next. Upon completing the Lifestyle section, you'll be directed to the My Medications section. In the My Medications section, fill out in the Search tab the prevalent drug that you may be taking prescribed by the doctors. If the drug is not located, look under the generic domain title of the drug. Click Save and then Next when appropriate. Finally, you'll be led to the Smart Questions section. You may continue to answer smart questions that are pulled from nearly 2,000 variable questions. These questions are shown in order of importance to you. After the 3rd submission, you'll experience diminishing importance, but feel free to spend time answering these questions, as you never know which key piece of information you may not know is impacting your life. Once we click Next, From the Smart Questions tab, we'll be led to the Lab section, where we can order our home test kit to be shipped to our door. You aren't required to complete this test, but it is recommended. If you already know your results for a specific lab test, you can fill them in here, and then click Save. Then you click Next to enter the DNA test. Next, you'll be directed to the DNA section, where you'll be able to order your DNA test kit. You aren't required to complete this test, but again, it is recommended, as it improves the quality of the score. You can go back at any time and add or change anything to your health profile, and it will adjust for your score. We advise you to keep it up to date, as circumstances in your life may change. Finally, we can see a complete total health score for your input. When we click below the health score on the Details tab in the top left, we'll see a detailed readout of your current health concerns that are impacting your health score. In the Underlying Physiological Causes section, you can see what the platform is identifying as key concerns and the likelihood that these key concerns are impacting your life. You can click the causes. You'll see a calculation of your health probability versus the average population. You'll see risk factors. You may click on these risk factors to see an overview and references regarding them. You'll see other risk factors related to these risk factors. You'll see a breakdown of their impact. You'll get general information on the concern. And you'll see references to why this may be a concern for a catastrophic issue. Next, we'll go to the dashboard. This is where your login will direct you after your first login. You'll see your health conditions and nutrient and detox metrics. In the metabolic score section, you'll see what key nutrients are impacting your metabolism. In the toxin page, you'll see key toxins that are providing you with additional risk to your health. You can click on details for both of these pages. Both these pages will generate recommendations for you to lower your intake of toxins, as well as how to safely remove them from your body. Next, you'll see listed diseases and medicines that you're currently taking. You can add and remove them as you see fit. Your health score will be updated based on the information you provide in real time. Next, you'll see a supplements and herbs section that you can add to. Below this, you'll see a generated recommendations list. Based on unique epibiogenetics, these are your personalized recommendations that target your health concerns and risk concerns and address your nutrient deficiencies. These recommendations are ranked in terms of what our science shows will have the biggest impact on your health. As you make diet and lifestyle changes and update labs, your recommendations may change to best support your ongoing health. The more information you provide, the more tailored your results will be. As you can see, these are our top recommendations. You can add any of the recommendations to your goals list. The goals are listed below. Finally, we have a status system section that displays a functional breakdown of every system in your body. You can click through each system to see your system's individual score. You can identify what causes impact that score, and you can take steps to improve that system score through the various recommendations that FAC Health provides. Next, you'll see the Food and Diet quick side, which shows saved recipes, and then the Lifestyle section, which shows saved exercise routines. The dashboard provides you with easy access to each key tab in the platform, but you can also click the menu to the top left to go directly to the primary platform section. Here you'll see Health and Conditions, which contains metabolic score, diseases and medicines, and additionally, it contains new studies that have recently come out to keep you up to date on your health needs. In the Toxin section, you can see your toxin score. Get more details on that score, see your nutrient recommendations, and order those recommendations through our system. Next is the Lifestyle section. In the Lifestyle section, you can see and add activities, you can see your recommendations, and finally, you can see general exercise ideas that can aid you in improving your health. Next is the Food and Diet section. You'll see saved recipes, recommendations for added recipes, a breakdown of diets with food recommendations based on filter options, and general dietary news and advice. I can click on any recipe to receive a comprehensive report on what's contained in that meal. Additionally, I can add that meal to my saved recipes. There are over 10,000 recipes on the platform, and we're adding more every day. That completes the walkthrough of First Alternative Care Health, a smart recommendation system for your health.